truck.
Fire truck?
Wait. Bed.
Bed?
Yeah.
That's your bed? You gonna take your bed to Grandma's house?
No.
No?
No, the fire truck.
But top of the fire truck. Good.
Stand up.
Can you get out of the fire truck?
Yes.
Yeah? Show me how you get out.
Wow.
Whoa! Yep, you jumped out.
Bug.
You bug. Alright, the flies are driving us crazy.
That.
Tells you how much gas you have in the truck.
Wheels.
Yeah, the wheels.
Can you roll?
No, they don't roll. They pretend.
That's a white truck.
Yeah, it is a fire truck.
That.
That's where your mattress will go. What are you doing? Are you gonna go night-night in your fire truck bed?
Oh, no.